Whoa, I cannot believe that these 2022 quarters are selling for this much money. Did you know that you can pretty much go to your local bank right now and pick up these quarters and be able to flip them for a lot more money than just one quarter? Without wasting any more time, let's look at this lot of 18 2022 Dr. Sally Ride coins that sold for over $400. That's right, guys. They sold for 400 bucks plus $5 shipping. So there are coins that are selling for a lot of money on eBay, but you have to be careful. And one thing really quick, guys, I highly recommend against buying any of these coins. I only advise that you should sell them. Now, why is that, you may ask? I think the collectibles market right now, especially coins, modern coins, is extremely inflated and volatile. These coins should not be selling for this much money. I've never seen modern, brand new coins selling for this astronomical amount of money. This person right here, I don't even know if it's a true sale or not, but there are other coins in this video that have true value sales. So if you're buying these coins online, be extremely skeptical and wary, because there are a lot of bad people out there doing some pretty bad things, so be careful. But this lot on eBay sold for $405. Here you go. So this one had a best offer accepted, 900 bucks, guys. So this is a Wilma Mankiller Washington quarter air. If your coin has this, guys, I would sell it as quickly as possible. Hop on eBay, go ahead and just sell off the coin, because being able to turn 25 cents into 900 bucks is crazy. Remember, the condition of the coin is extremely important. If you want to learn more about coin handling, grading, and values, I have a completely free ebook on my channel. All you got to do is click the link below, but you don't have to do that, guys. Just keep doing your own homework and research. Find out what your coin is worth and make sure you do not get scammed and ripped off. This coin sold for $999, and here's why. So this person that sold it on eBay is saying that this is an improper strike die gouge error. Now, the reason why you're seeing so many errors on these 2022 Washington quarters is because there is a crazy amount of demand and the quality control has really gone down for the US Mint. I even received a letter from the US Mint stating they're sorry for all the errors, but the collector market is really loving it because the values are going up crazy amounts. If you have these coins, you can pretty much just flip them for money and make easy money on these 2022 quarters. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed, so you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. This one sold for $1,049, and you can see right off the bat, this person's calling this a die break plus CUD. Now, this is affecting both the front, which is the obverse, and the back, which is the reverse of the coin. If you have a coin like this, I would definitely get rid of it very quickly. Do not hold on to it unless you just, enjoy collecting this stuff. That's completely fine too. I'm not against collecting coins whatsoever, but it's a thing of, just don't be upset in the long run if a coin like this goes down in value, because I do not see this coin hold its value. This coin sold for $2,500, and here's why. So this person's calling this 2022 Dr. Sally Ride quarter a major error with a ghost comet tail. So you can see they point out the area on the coin where the error is occurring. If you have a coin that looks like this, there's a chance that you could sell it for a lot of money. Now, I don't think you'd be able to sell it for this much money, but you need to take your chances. You need to go ahead and post it online and try to sell it, because there's people out there that are clearly making a lot of money off their Washington quarters. YouTube says they know exactly what video you should watch next, and that video is right on the screen. So go ahead and click on that video and I'll see you inside.